2 Nigerians have been arrested in Ashaiman Circuit Court, jailed for 18 months for trafficking their own Nigerian brothers from Nigeria, bringing them to Ghana, confining them in a room, giving them a bunch of computers to do romance scam. They call it Yahoo Yahoo in Nigeria. And if these young men don't bring money, they beat them up, they starve them, and they confine them, almost like imprison them in the room. So one of them escaped and reported the matter to the police, and the police took them, after investigation, took the matter to court after charging these 2 young men. And now the judge has sentenced them to 18 months in jail. And the prosecutor prosecuting the case was very emphatic that the judge should give them even harsher sentences, because these things give Ghana a bad reputation, for that matter, the entire Africa. I remember the last time I did a case about the Nigerians who were arrested by FBI in Ghana for kidnapping an American and using her ATM card, her bank card, to withdraw money from her Bank of America account. There were Nigerians who were in the comment section said, oh, it's not true. It's true. This was a court case, and this again is another court case. This one happened in Ashaiman. So the prosecutors were saying that they trafficked their own Nigerian brothers. Previously, they were using Ghanaians, but now they are trafficking their own Nigerian brothers from Nigeria to Ghana, force them to do Yahoo Yahoo, and if they fail to bring money, this is what they do to them. So according to the prosecutor, they wanted the judge to give them a very harsh sentence. That's why they were saying that the judge should use the sentence to send a message to other people that Ghana will not tolerate, whether you are Ghanaian or you are Nigerian or you are whoever, they will not tolerate this. You remember recently there's a case of this Nigerian young entrepreneur who does fish business, who was kidnapped and unalived. He was just... When these gentlemen would have done the same thing to these boys. And thank God one of them managed to escape and went to report the case. The prosecutor who was prosecuting the case said the young men were beaten, they were starved, and they were confined in the room for failing to generate funds. Until one of them, Otungwa, he escaped and reported the case to the police, and the police went, stormed the place where he showed the police and arrested them and then prosecuted them. They pleaded guilty. They themselves pleaded guilty to doing Yahoo Yahoo and trafficking these their brothers from Nigeria to Ghana to do Yahoo Yahoo, beating them and starving them. So now they are all going to jail for 18 months. The charges that they gave them was unauthorized crossing of the border and dealing in Yahoo Yahoo, which is a cyber crime in Ghana.
This is really unfair for Ghanaians. And when we come out and tell you guys what Nigerians are doing in Ghana, you guys will come and be talking rubbish online, right? Okay, now you guys have seen what your fellow Nigerians have done. Look at what they have done. All right, tell me, are Nigerians bringing good to Ghana or bad? Tell me if this is not going to affect the new generation growing up now. Tell me, this is exactly what Ghanaians are avoiding, but they are bringing it here. We know, of course, our country is already spoiled with all manners of crimes. But why are you bringing it to Ghana? This is our question, and this is what we are trying to avoid. And we come out voicing out to the whole world so they can hear, and at the same time warning them. But you guys will come insulting us, giving us all manners of insults. All right, look at what your brothers have done now. They've done it to their fellow Nigerians. You know? Well, we still have a lot of videos, guys, I want you to check out. Let's get right into it. So you will know, at least you have sense. You have sense, maybe it will change your mindset. You should know that your brothers and sisters are doing rubbish here in Ghana. Let's get right into the videos. There you see more crimes.
What is going on in Ghana immigration? Ghana Immigration Service. What is happening there? What is going there? There is massive thing going on in Ghana Immigration Service. Ghana Immigration Service. There is a lot of things going on. So what is going on and what is happening there? Out of make sure to hear your radio, like, share, and comment. Let's go forward. Ghana Immigration Service. You know, you say Ghana, Bambo, Ebi, Ejina, Ghana Immigration Services. So, you know, you better hear sir. You know, munu, your border areas, you know, you say Ghana Immigration Service, one or no, or your whole manina. And into a binum de Kokobo, and I say, Kwadubo, eba, ama, Ghana Immigration Service say, Ghana ya immigrant ya arazi apa ekoso ama jizi dede ni nyama bebre ekoso wo Ghana ye nyina ye blemu Nigeria fo a wabaye immigrant a wo ha Ghana fo adwenye tutu se saa na etie no ebinum ede kokobo anase kwadubo ebo Ghana Immigration Service se esan se wadwuma bi enkoye na onyema bi atompanti na amasisi ya no yehu se Ghana immigration system no aye too much amasisi no ede ye ho ba bia enje no Adenti da dodo ni nyina kasa na adenti na manfo de kwadu ebo eye Ghana Immigration Service. Wo mbo kwadu e kire se ohwe ye border aflawo most of the borders na atwa ye ho achia na se Ghana fo no ye tia no eno na manfo kase ohwe dodo na wo firi aye alatamamu na Nigeria eba Ghana na ofa dodo na efa alupre na eba ebi so fa fam aye car na wore nam ebewura aye Ghana na so ye bisa se aso se Immigration Service no woduru won border areas na aso is there any control or control one ansana wa mankon abewuram na wo wuram so wa de niam na ya wo hwehwe firi won ho a ekire se wo akwankogya se wo ba oman Ghana mu abewuram na fi aye niam bebre yemfa yenye nsa mfanto ho kakra enko Ghana aburuchire se ufiri aburu Ghana na okwa aburuchire a wo ho kwan se unya visa ansana wako eye aburuchire ani ye nyina yenim sa ubetimi age visa udi be free Ghana se okwa amanone eye kuro bia so nanso o visa no entimi ma wakwankogya se ubekwa ko wura kuro num udru won borders area ana Immigration Service na they will say screaming you out answer na yehu se butaya odi ba kuro num no aso utwa se obamu ansana ya ma okwan ama watimi abewura eye won kuro mu ne nyina mu no ye Ghana ne ye bisa se aso Ghana Immigration System no aso saade ma we nyina no wo hwe se ansa na wa makwan abewura mu sanse se o kwa buruchire a ye hwe se baabi a wo beda ye hwe adwuma kora wo kwakoye na dodo wo kwakodi ansa na ye gina so ama visa ne nyina mu pon ye betima hwe o hotel reservation eye booking na wa booking ansa na etimi ama okwan ama wa ba bewuram ewo oman na odi winchen efri Ghana akono aso ye bisa se ye kurom Ghana no saa na eye ahoho na eba ye kurom no do se eye West African Economic country dia nanso ECOWAS no emma kwan se still na u bewuram a ye njaw saa there should be an nyama bi ya se Ghana for migration wo hwehwe aso saa nyama na wo hwehwe ansa na obi atima bewura ye kurom Ghana mu ana ero na sese no dodo na free se enam se ye kurom eye migration for no enhwe saa nyama niti no enama immigrant no aye dodo wo ye kurom na ye bisa saa den what are the measures, what are the implementation eye oman no ye de to se ahoho betimi aba so fa kwampa so no aba be wura mu awba so adwuma be na oba be ye botaye be na ode ba how many days no be bedi no Ghana these are the things ye bi se aso sanema we nyina no eye adwuma ansana ye behu se utimi wo akwankogya se obo oman mu na sanema we nyina ni hode ya na aso kwadu bo a wode bo Ghana Immigration Service no na odi bo se obebo won enti ye bi se Ghana Immigration Service say what are the measures for somebody to come to Ghana. This is our question now. And then they say if there is no answer there na kwadu bona ye bono na eye no kore enti ye nche nso afa ye ni nkrofo bebre adi nkomo wadwenkyere ni say won de wo ba Ghana the Ghana Immigration Service no their money is in their pocket sana dodo na eka kire ye nua Nigeria fo ye de binom adi nkomo no sana wo ka kire say wo ba utwe sika ansana wanya kwan awura mu ane wo hwe ne ma ekoso dia adentro bi betima be wura Ghana illegally a offer or the car nearby. So the car nearby, is there any control on the border areas? Nana? These are the questions that you be say orofo say oh share like and comment. Yam more you crown Ghana because Ghana we need peace. Ghana we need freedom. This is the time we need to fight for our freedom. Another thing has happened again in Libya. What is going on in Libya? Everywhere in the world they are there. Everywhere in the world these people are there. Some Nigerian guys kidnapped their own sister and asking for money, ransom. So, you see, it's not like we hate them. We love each other. It's not like only Nigerians, but Ghanaians are doing different things. But where we cannot find or we have not seen it. But this is what we have seen it. When you go to Libya now, this is what is going on. Some of the Nigerian guys kidnapped their own sister from Nigeria. They kidnapped their own sister from Nigeria and had her somewhere that they will get money when they ask for ransom. So they're beginning to ask their family to bring some money, that their sister with them, so many things. So somebody had information and then beginning to escalate the issue to the Libyan police. So Libyan police started chasing out using the Google Map where they can find themselves as a police. So they chased those guys and then finally they found them. And then they arrested all of them. Now they are in prison now. So this is what is going on in the world. Everywhere, these people, they kidnap people. That's why we Ghanaians, we said, enough is enough. So we are sitting down in Ghana, allow these people to destroy our nation. We are sitting down. I will continue saying this every day, but they are also chasing me every day. Until it's done, we will never stop. We will keep on saying it. Ghana, we need peace. Ghana, we need freedom. Because our little nation that you people are talking about, that Ghana is a small country. But if this small country, that's why we came from bigger country to destroy our small nation. Why don't you go and stay in a bigger country and do what you want to do in your bigger country and leave us our small country for us? It's getting worse now. It's getting worse every day, here and there. So many things going on across the world. The same people. When you go to Libya, they are doing it. When you go to Zambia, these people are there. When you go to South Africa, they are there. When you go to Vietnam, everywhere in the world where there is human being living, they are there. Destroying there, here and there. 419 issue every blessed day. It's enough. So as a Ghanaians, what are we doing? Ghana for dinner, yeah. Ghana for dinner, yeah, the young ways to. I say we buy free president so kokosi parliamentarians so obia cannot except Mr. Mama Hassan Ayariga onunkwa and okamwasem. Onunku only one man. How is going to fight with this fight? We have 275 parliamentarians in Ghana. 275 parliamentarians in Ghana, but none of them because that man came to Ghana 1995. 1995 now about Ghana because he know Lawrence, he know all the president in Ghana, especially John Mama. He know him very well. That time Okasa Otto Asasi 50 plot Ningo, where do you call it? But it's not there. It is a Chopoli where he bought the land, 50 acres, or a Chopoli, no, but Otto Asasi. And in Titamana, MPP for a was so when Tinian come away, but any year don't your mama somebody or Sana start to be or come was him. So as a we Ghanaian, what are we doing about the issue? Parliamentarians, 275 parliamentarians in Ghana, only one person is talking about this issue. Everybody's quiet. Silence. Saying nothing about this issue. And the people are dying every day. People are kidnapping every day. People, they are snatching people car every day. So as a nation, look at yesterday, 26. Demonstration, of course, there was no support from everywhere. And then these people are mocking us. They are laughing at us. Because there is no support from anywhere. So we Ghanaians, we need to stand up. Youth, we need to arise and shine our country. Because this country belongs to us. Yeah, Papa, no what parliamentarian, they will go. One day they will go. But me and you, we are going to suffer. We need to stand up on our feet and fight for our freedom and build our nation.
My people, everywhere, don't hurt. Before I continue with the story, please, let's take a moment of silence to fear Nigerians. Thank you. And also, let's use a moment of silence and fear people who know they fear Nigerians. Thank you. Wahala, don't boss.
I will do Thanksgiving for this matter.
8 people don't kidnap Nigerian High Court judge. They don't kidnap Nigerian High Court judge. The story hot. 6 men and 2 girls. The Bayelsa State Chief Judge has been kidnapped by these people where you see so country called Nigeria. Oh, on you. Oh,
What was
shame
it,
on
man?
Nigerians. Shame on you. Now, every money, no they reach. Yahoo money, no they reach you. Now, not to kidnap, judge. Shame on you, Nigerians. Oh, oh, shame, shame on you, Nigerians. Shame on you, Nigerians. Yahoo money no reach you. Now to kidnap a judge. Shame on you, worker. For you people now. You are, in fact, you are a disgrace to Africa as a country. You are a shamelessly disgraceful people. Shame on you. Always, we are giant of Africa. We can dance, Unabi. You are very disgrace. Worker again. Still, power to the Nyash.
What was it, man?
Ghanians, you know they see the story. Now these people, let me allow them stay for Ghana. I don't blame you people now. Now, they go tax, they kidnap our parliamentarians. Now you go get set now. Come on, my friends.
Okay. Now you guys have seen it for yourself. I believe you don't learn sense now, right? Okay. The last video is the one that shocked me really well. Hey, how would they, kidnap Chief Judge? Hey, God, Chief Judge of Nigeria. Ha! My father, Lord. Then who is going to judge the case now if they kidnap Chief Judge? Who is going to judge the case? Now, this one weak me. I believe you guys have seen the reason why Ghanaians don't want to now for their country, because they don't want you to come and, kidnap their chief judge. So their country will not be shattered. Now you can understand, right? So why can't you please, roll yourself the same way you roll in? Please, roll out of Ghana. Why can't you do the same thing? Now, question that they ask you now. Why? You are even here beating your chest. Beating your chest even on top crime. You are beating your chest. Is it fair? I beg you, Mona leave me alone. No, guys, I don't sign out. Mona take care of yourself. Bye-bye.